have the result that A cross B, B cross C, C cross A equal to A cross B dot B cross C cross C cross A. This on simplification, we have it as the box product ABC square. Box product ABC square. Box product ABC square means it is nothing but lambda ABC square means we must have lambda equal to 1. We must have lambda equal to 1. Question number 26. You are given that let A and B be two events such that P of A union B is 1 by 6, P of A intersection B is 1 by 4, P of A bar 1 by 4, where A bar stands for the complement of the event A, then the events A and B are. See what we do. We have P of A union B bar equal to 1 by 6 will imply P of A union B equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 or 5 by 6. P of A union B equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. You are given P of A bar equal to 1 by 4 means we can have P of A 1 minus 1 by 4 that is 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 that is 3 by 4. Again, we have to get the value of probability of B. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Here we can have P of A union B 5 by 6 given, P of A 3 by 4, P of B to be determined minus P of A intersection B is also a given quantity which is 1 by 4, which is 1 by 4 given. So we must have P of B equal to 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So it must be 5 minus 3. So it must be 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. And you can see that here P of A is 3 by 4, P of B is 1 by 3. So P of A is different from P of B. So we can conclude that A and B are not equally likely. They are not equally likely. But P of A into P of B, you can see that 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 4 and is nothing but P of A intersection B. So what we can say? They are independent. A and B are independent but not equally likely. A and B are independent but not equally likely. So the option 1 is the correct answer. 27th question in mathematics, 87th question in your question paper. The variance of first 50 even natural numbers. We already have proved that the variance of first n natural numbers is nothing but n square minus 1 divided by 12. Variance of the first n natural numbers is n square minus 1 divided by 12. Actually, it is variance is a measure of dispersion. That is why not necessary it will be the first n natural numbers. Any consecutive n natural numbers will have variance n square minus 1 divided by 12. If you multiply throughout by 2, the variance will get multiplied by square, that is 4 into the actual variance. Again, we are considering instead of n 50. That means we are considering the first 50 even natural numbers. So instead of n we have 50, the answer will be 833. Question number 28. let fk of x equal to 1 by k into sin raised to kx plus cos raised to kx, where x is an element of R and k is greater than or equal to 1, you are asked to determine the value of f4 of x minus f6 of x. f4 of x is nothing but 1 by 4 into sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x minus 1 by 6 into sin raised to 6x plus cos raised to 6x. Okay. Now, this is going to be 1 by 4 into, here we have to make use of, this is nothing but sin square all square, cos square all square. So, a square plus b square can be treated as a plus b all square minus 2ab. If you are using that, this is going to be 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x minus 1 by 6 into, here if you make use of this as sin square x cube, cos square x cube, a cube plus b cube is a plus b all cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So, that we are getting it as 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So, in effect we will have 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, everything else will get cancelled. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. So, it must be equal to 1 by 12 is the required answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 29. A bird is sitting on the top of a vertical pole 20 meters high and its elevation from a point O on the ground is 45 degrees. Suppose the bird is sitting here whose elevation from ground is 45 degrees. If it flies off horizontally straight away from the point O, after 1 second the elevation of the bird from O is reduced to 30 degrees. It has become 30 degrees. At the first stage the bird was here, then the bird from here, if the bird is here, the angle of elevation is going to be 30 degrees. Suppose this distance is x and this distance be y. 20 is the height of the pole. Now, you can note that in 1 second the distance travelled by the bird is this much. Okay. So, what we actually need is the speed of the bird is nothing but this much distance per second. As it is travelled in 1 second, we need only to find out y. So, in height and distance problems, as usual we make use of tangent idea. Okay. So, we can have tan 45 degrees equal to 1 equal to 20 by x will give us x equal to 20. Tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3, which is again equal to 20 divided by x plus y, and x plus y, x can be replaced by 20. 20 plus y equal to 20 root 3 or y equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1. So, y is 20 into root 3 minus 1 and this distance is travelled in 1 second, that is given in the problem. So, the speed of the bird is 20 root 3 minus 1 meters per second. Question number 30, negation of P implies and implied by negation Q is. Here we have to make use of the idea of truth table. You can look into that truth table. P, Q, negation Q, P implies and implied by negation, negation Q, negation of P implies and implied by negation Q. P implies and implied by negation Q. You can see from this table that these two columns are identical. So these two statements must be identical. That is the required answer. These two are identical. So among the options, the answer is P implies and implied by Q is the required answer.